ki khubor ka bate si TV. Wanrah shapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Sorkar jala kampat I setia ya Jaiñtia ban Wanrah ya Lynti rel Rilum Khasi Jaiñtia. Yakni la pentim da usemput menteri rangba jala uba snya bhalang dhar uba pet ya katana transport ha jiang kram ikla pathai khubor ha kishpotri udisa ar hazar arpulai. Kuman shipinkan mau hangni baka Sorkar pedeng kala terwa banshna artli ki railway project ha kani jala. Kata ya Lynti rel ka bajrong arpu ar kilometer kaban penyaso na tetilia shabernihan basa kawai pat Lynti rel ka bajrong shispa pra kilometer kaba penyaso na bernihan shanong ba shillong.
Sangeh is already ruling, and yes, that we haven't come to the stage to discuss about the part related with railway. Yeah, maybe a time will come if railway is in place, then this is that we have to do. That we will see when time comes. I mean, as of now, we are planning to make our people understand. So let us see. It may take long procedure because since this thing is very new to our people, there is slightly sensitive issues. So therefore, it takes time for us to make them awareness. That is the decision of the government of India, not the state government. We will see. That we will see. Let us try. Let us hope for a positive first. And we keep awareness all those areas which are done too. So we will see first. We are still under examining, under negotiation, all these things. We haven't dropped it. The railway as of now, we didn't take a decision. So yes, awareness program is just happening from DC from time to time. But this for railway thing to first we have to take all the stakeholders on board only. When everybody is on board, then we will take a call. Not drop, we are still examining. Opposition is always there because we cannot see opposition. They are lax of understanding. It's the duty of the government to make them awareness. So when awareness is done, we will listen from their opinion. Yes, if there are opposed, why we should go for it? We'll just drop it. Simple as that. But unless and until everybody is on board, government is not decided to work. Government such simple as that. Unless and until our people is understand, we have to keep dialogue with them. And yes, finally, if they say no to it, then we have to stop it.